October 24, 1952, Lincoln County, Nevada. A windless dawn scrapes the basalt flats. A barbed fence vibrates against still air. Local rancher Elmer Pike brakes hard. He notes a lonely beacon humming nearby. He notes the missing runway ahead. Yesterday, floodlights burned a path through dust. Yesterday, the sign read Arrowgate Air Force Base. Today, nothing remains but chalk and ruts. No hangars, no tower, no fuel stink. An ashtray holds 3 lucky strikes. The desert smells newly turned, like opened books. Deputy Roslyn Carr radios WSRB at 6:11 in the morning. Her voice snaps like Morse inside static. She reports fresh tire combs ending in blankness. She reports boot prints that begin mid-sand. She reports children by the fence line, staring. 2 boys and a girl stand barefoot, calm. They whisper tail numbers in perfect sequence. They name pilots no one here has met. A boy traces circles and crosses in silt. He writes January 12, 1950 and 0907 hours. Archivists' notes will later confirm a crash. Not here, but Holloman, 300 miles south. Carr finds an intake grate, pulling nothing downward. Beneath, a sub-basement corridor refuses all echo. Inside, a calendar halts on Thursday, October 23rd. Red grease pencil circles 0200 beside the word transit. A logbook lists the 4711th Provisional Squadron. Names repeat like prayer beads. Pritchard, Caraway, Warren Lewis Pike. The last matches the rancher's father exactly. Records insist he died in 1939. Carr hears a clatter behind the file stacks. Her flashlight arcs across riveted ducting overhead. Masked men step from shadowed vents together, silent. Canvas hoods, gray smocks, unmarked shoulder flashes. They smell of acetone, paper, and cellar cold. They claim they are Department of the Air. They offer no warrants, only folded cloth. They fold the room into that cloth carefully. Desks crease, cabinets blur, and corners vanish. WSRB loses Roslyn at 6:23 in the morning. On-scene tape ends with a door sighing shut. By noon, maps are redrawn inside the courthouse. A blank square replaces Arrowgate's precise coordinates. Families report telegrams that cancel themselves overnight. At dusk, revivalists gather off County Road 8. A girl in a red cardigan hums starboard. She points where the tower once leaned. Something under the basalt answers in clicks. Years pass quietly as basements acquire new locks. FOIA yields torn memos during 1978 reviews. Transit becomes acronym, then a blackened ribbon. A single appendix survives, clearly numbered 13. Base must persist only in witness recollection. Beacon will retune to its native frequency. Tonight, WSRB rebroadcasts Carr's clipped report again. The hum rises from tired magnetic coils. The coordinates drift toward our own town. I dial the county overlays once again. Arrowgate's blank square overlaps this block precisely. A child's recorded breathing syncs with mine. The acetone smell threads through the ventilation slats. A wall calendar skips directly forward to Friday. Red pencil circles 0200 in newly laid wax. The tape counter advances without turning reels. Deputy Carr's badge skates under the door. The beacon answers me from behind the soundproof door.